everybody, welcome back to my channel. I guess I've never actually said hi, I'm Aneli. This is my channel, but my name is Aneli. I go by Nelly on this, and only like two friends call me Nelly. But yeah, hi everybody, welcome back. So today I will be doing my ODEN'S Eye ranking video. Yes, I was gonna say ranking palette, but I'm gonna be ranking. I think I have 11. Let's see. So I have 10 palettes, and then I have a palette of singles, so 11-ish. So I put this all in order of first to last. So let me switch them around. Okay, so coming in at the very bottom are the singles. See, that just crumbled a little. This is why they're at the bottom. They're very nice, super like pigmented, but they're very crumbly. This one has already come off the palette, like off the pan. This one, I don't know if you could tell, it's a little lifted as well. I've only had it for like a year maybe, and I mean you could tell I have used them and stuff, especially this one. I've used it, but I don't understand why they're so flaky now. I mean, I guess I could swatch some. So the one I go in with all the time looks like that. I'm just gonna put them in the back of my hand. It has a green flip. And as I did that, this one just freaking came off. That's that one. It's like a purple green flip. I mean, not. It's annoying. So that's the first one. And then this is the one that just crumbled over. Freaking great. Or is like this is another. They already okay, yeah. I was gonna say they already feel old. That one's like green to blue to pink. I don't know if you could see any other shifts. No, okay, well I could see it in person. It's mainly green, but it also goes to like a pinky hue. And then I'm scared. This one, it's more like a purpley pink one. Not that vibrant. I'm swatching the red one. That one's a nice one. But I did notice that that one creased a lot on my lid the day I did wear it. And obviously it swatches better, like it looks a lot better here compared to, that's my third time. So I did it 3 times for it to look like that. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to wash my hands. So yes, that's the very bottom of my um Odin's Eye palettes. So there's that one. One number 10. It's the Norns eyeshadow palette. So I got this one. I don't remember when I purchased it. I think I purchased the Christmas ones at the same time. So this is the palette. I have already used it. As you could tell, I go for like the little flip ones, like the ones that have a color flip. But I don't really gravitate towards it. It's a neutral palette in my opinion, with some color down here. But honestly, I've never even swatched these ones, but I have used like the brown, this one, that one. It's nice. It's just not my favorite, but it is nice. So that one's on spot number 10. And this one, okay, I don't know where it cut off, but number 9, it's the Hummingbird palette from Odin's Eye and the Fancy Face collab. So it's only at number 9 because I've never really played with it other than today. This is, I don't know if you could see it. Like, let me zoom in. That's the look I have on my eyes today. I used this palette. It's really pretty. I do like it. So the only reason, like I said, it's at the number 9 spot is because I've only used it once. So I can't really say much other than today. So I use, let's see if I could do it like this. I use these two here. I used this pink one. I used this glitter, our shimmer shade, and this gold one. Oh my gosh. Trying to point to it while looking at the little viewfinder thing is hard. So yeah, I liked it. It was really nice. The mattes were really easy to blend and everything. This one is my favorite right here. This one because it has, again, it's like a flip color. So it looks purple on the pan, but it's like pink, gold, greenish. So it's a nice one. And even this one's like really pretty. This one, okay, so this one looks like it's a purple, but it's not. It's a blue. Like I didn't swatch it. See, it looks like that, but it's like a deep ass navy blue. Like I thought it was maroon, like a deep burgundy, like almost black maroon shade. Does it have shimmer? I think it's one of those ones with shimmer, or honestly, it could be because I have so much glitter on my hands that I don't know. So that one's number 9. So the next one is the Planet Spirit Animal. This one is a collab with Betty Jean and ODEN'S Eye. So this one's number 8. Just because it's super vibrant. Like I do like vibrant colors, but I don't use them as often. I've obviously used this one because I like these little flip colors. I did use the mattes on this, I believe, once. So yeah, it's just not my favorite color story, but the formula is still really pretty. So that's number 8. Number 7 is now the Sea Talk palette, which is their collab with Lauren. I don't know the creator, but that's the packaging. All the packaging on these are really nice. This one's really pretty. I've used this one more. I like the color story on this one. Obviously, this one and this one are ones that I've used more out of this palette. Um, but yeah, I really like it. I haven't used this one, but I'm intrigued. It's like a lemony yellow color. It's really pretty. And I like the mattes in this one. I used that one so far. But I think I dipped into like all the palettes when I first got them. That's why. So that's that. And then this one is number 7. This one's my favorite one, the Flora Story Palette. So it's ODEN'S Eye and Makeup Just for Fun because it's more of the greeny neutral ones, like the earth tones. So obviously this one to me is very appealing. It's really pretty. I like the pops of purple like down here and everything. And the lavender one too is really pretty. So yeah, this one's at number 7. Reindeer Palette, their last Christmas yeah, the last Christmas 2023 palettes that they did. So this color story is just not Christmassy to me. I like the colors themselves. It's more like a pastel palette. But it's really pretty. Like I like it. It's yeah, but it's not a Christmas palette to me. It's just a really pretty palette. Like the colors themselves, I like it. I like the way it's put together and everything. I need to use it more. It's just I have it like in the bottom of my freaking palette bin just because I don't know where to put them. 4 is the other Christmas palette. It's the Snow Dream palette. And this one's more of a Christmassy kind of just because of the freaking red. Where do I go? This way. Just because of the red in it. And then it does have some greens. It's sage green and like mint light green. So I mean it's still pastel-y, but I think everybody just fell in love with this like holographic uh, shade because I know I did. That was honestly the main reason that I got it because of the holographic shade in it, but it's very crumbly. That's the bad thing about this one. You tell it looks just silver, but it's holographic in person. I just don't understand why this one's so crumbly. I don't get it. Stone and Rock palette. I like it because obviously the colors. They're so pretty to me. Very neutrally and earthy. So this one I've used more. I like I like all of the colors on this one. It's so easy to do just an everyday look with this. But yeah, this is that one. Oh, I guess this one's more of a color flippy one. I like all their little like light ones that have a flip. I don't know why they're just so pretty to me. But yeah, this one's number 3. It's the Angelica Nyquist collab. So this is their Halloween collab. This is the little ghost palette. I still have the little tapes on it, but I have used it. I guess you can see the color story is just so freaking pretty. Like honestly, I thought I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna use this? Like how? But I've used like this row. The only row I haven't used, I think, is maybe no. I think I've used them all in like a little bit or a lot. But I've used all of these colors obviously in separate looks. Like I think I did a look with this little quad, and then I did one with this row, And I've done something with this one and this. Like I just, didn't film them because I wasn't filming at that time. But yeah, that's number two, the Little Ghost palette. And obviously, number one is the Trick or Treat palette from ODEN'S and Angelica. And this one I've used way more times. I've used this green especially when I went to Nightmare Before Christmas live in concert in LA. I made sure I wore this for Oogie Boogie right here. These two, they're so pretty. And I've used this one as well, as you can tell. Like this one I've used more because it's more of a fall palette, but I mean I wear it whenever. But yeah, especially this one, what's the name? Wicked, for an inner corner highlight. It's so pretty. But yeah, I love these and I love the imprints on them. This one has a little skull, like the little poison, and the little poison like sign. Yeah, you can see right there. There were bats up in here, but let's see. This one, you can't really see them as much because that one I've gone into more. There's a spider on this one. Let me see. No, well, it's on that one. You can kind of see the spider there, and then that one has a pumpkin. You can kind of see it there. The other one also had some embossing. I don't know what it's called when they stamp it on. But yeah, that is all that I have from Odin's Eye. Those are my 11, 10 palettes plus the singles. But yeah, that is my ranking. So this video was suggested by somebody in my Odin's Eye unboxing. So I said I was gonna do it, and I did. So I hope that subscriber sees this video. But yeah, and again, I have to keep saying it because it's um, not yet April 30th, but I do have a giveaway going. And that one is going to end on April 30th. If you go check my unboxing video, the details are there. But basically, you just have to go to my Instagram and then repost the giveaway. They turned out to be reels. I meant to make them as pictures, but whatever. So just repost those and comment on the giveaway reels that I have on my Instagram. That way I know you're entered. And then April 30th is the last day, and May 1st I'm announcing the winner on YouTube. But yeah, so basically keep a lookout for that if you did join in on the giveaway. But that is it. That's the end of the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, do all the things. Let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see how I got this look, it's going to be on my TikTok because I filmed it for TikTok. And it's going to be on my YouTube Shorts. It's just Shorts goes by a lot quicker because I only have a minute. So I speed it up a lot more. Whereas TikTok, I still have some time. But I know TikTok's going away soon. So I don't know what to do there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.